Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you this idea that I had the other day. I just think this would be such a great idea if you have kids or toddlers. I have a little 1-year-old and it's just a recycled DIY tree. I used different materials that I had. I was trying to think of something that would be fun for her and fun for us to do together. And I came up with this idea and I'm just going to show you how I made it in case someone out there wants to do something similar. It was a really fun project. It's snow. It's snowing. And then also for the ornaments, I used toilet paper tubes. Since my daughter is a 1-year-old, she's really into pictures, and a lot of kids really love pictures of different family members or favorite toys and things. So I printed off a bunch of different pictures for her to put inside the toilet paper tubes, and then I wrapped those in tissue paper and hung those on the tree. And I actually used the ornaments as like an advent calendar, so I've been letting her open one of those every day and she really enjoys it. I used this little picture book that I got a long time ago, I think at like Dollar Tree, and every day she adds a picture to her picture book and she seems to really love it. So I wanted to share it with you in case you're interested in doing something at home this season with your kids or a 1-year-old and you have all of these different materials. This might be a fun project for you guys. So I hope you enjoy this video, and this video is just going to be like a sped up version of me making this tree. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, friends.